Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up RPA with UiPath to automate invoice processing using AI. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by installing UiPath Studio on your system. Navigate to the UiPath website and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, run the installation wizard. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Open UiPath Studio after the installation is finished. Select the option to create a new project. Choose the process template for the invoice automation project. Name your project meaningfully, such as Invoice Processing RPA. Click Create to set up your new project. Next, open the main.xaml file that appears in your project. In the Activities panel, search for the Read PDF text activity. Drag and drop the Read PDF text activity into the workflow. Configure the Read PDF text properties to specify the invoice file path. Ensure the output variable is set to capture the text from the PDF. Now, search for the regex activity in the Activities panel. Use this activity to extract relevant data from the invoice text. Identify the invoice number, date, and total amount using regular expressions. Create variables to store these extracted values for later use. Next, look for the data scraping feature in UiPath Studio. Use this feature to extract structured data if your invoices are in a table format. Define the data structure to match the extracted fields from the invoice. Now, shift focus to setting up AI capabilities. Navigate to the UiPath AI Center to enable AI features. Create a new AI model specifically for invoice data. Train the model with sample invoices to improve accuracy. Once trained, integrate the AI model back into your UiPath project. Add the AI model activity into your workflow to process incoming invoices. Map the outputs from the AI model into your defined variables. To further automate, search for the right range activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.